My project is on the intramembranous ossification. The intramembranous ossification occurs in the inner membrane of the dermis and is responsible for developing fetal bone. Intramembranous ossification produces dermal bones such as clavicle, facial bones, and the cranial. There's 3 steps to intramembranous ossification. The first step occurs in the mesenchymal connective tissue. In the connective tissue, mesenchymal cells come together and begin to replicate. Once these mesenchymal cells join together, they become osteoblasts. Osteoblasts are cells that help with the developing of the bone. Osteoblasts then release an unclassified matrix known as an osteoid. These unclassified osteoids are then classified with Ca, calcium, and other minerals. The enzyme alkaline phosphatase acts as the catalyst that will classify the cells. Once osteoblasts are surrounded by classified bone matrix, they now become osteocytes, mature cells. Osteocytes are primarily located in the lacunae. This process is known as ossification, and it takes place in the ossification center. And that completes step 1 of the intramembranous ossification. Step 2 of intramembranous ossification is when the spicules are formed. The spicules then connect to one another to make the piece longer. Since mature cells, osteocytes, are highly vasculated, the spicules grow around the blood cells, causing them to be trapped. This process causes an increase in nutrients and waste exchange. The final step to the intramembranous ossification is the primary bone formed is the spongy bone. Once bone remodeling occurs, osteocytes at the edge of the spongy bone reorder themselves into osteons. Osteons are the primary components of a compact bone. Compact bone is formed on the outside of the spongy bone. The 2 outside layers of compact bone and inner layer of spongy bone are characteristics of a flat bone. Through another process of bone remodeling, the spongy bone is removed and replaced by the medullary cavity. To complete the process of the bone is the outer bone layer known as the periosteum. This periosteum is composed of fibrous connective tissue, and in this tissue, more osteoblasts can be produced. The increase in osteoblasts causes an increase in the width of the bone. The width grown of the bone is called a position of growth, and that is intramembranous ossification. Thank you.